Hello and welcome to the Duckback training series. I'm Adam Bell and today we'll be covering Wood 101. So what is wood? Well, we know wood as this living organic matter, a tree. And that tree comes with Mother Nature's armor, and that's the bark. Unfortunately, by the time we need it or use it, we've harvested that tree, essentially killed it, stripped that armor off, and now we need to protect it. And when you drill down to what wood really is, it's comprised of a bunch of cells or cups, and these cups go ahead and catch all that dirt and pollen. So we need to go ahead and put some of that protection in that Mother Nature originally had back into the wood, and that's why we're staining the wood. And there are three primary philosophies when it comes to protecting or staining wood. The first one is penetrating wood stain. And that's designed to get into the wood cells, dry, become part of the wood, allowing the wood to expand and contract. There's also wax base, and the wax base technology is basically filling that wood cell, not allowing anything to get in it. But you've also trapped anything else that's in there if you haven't cleaned it. And then there's surface coating or topical, and that is usually our opaque or resurfacers, and that's designed to cover all the wood completely, not allowing anything to get in. And there's always important asks we need to have with a conversation with somebody, and that's, what are we staining? Is it high surface travel like a deck? Is it an arbor or gazebo? Is it furniture? And then some more important asks are horizontal to vertical. Big difference in longevity, horizontal to vertical, rough or smooth. That could be a big difference between what it looks like, the color, and or how much product is going to be absorbed. And then what type of wood? Is it a softwood, a hardwood, cedar, or redwood? So these are all important asks and a little bit more understanding about what wood is. So thank you for spending time with me today. As always, remember Duckback Exterior Stain and Sealer. It's easy to use and easy to love.